Hey everyone. Having trouble getting your PlayStation controller to work with Roblox on your PC? You're not alone. Sony controllers, especially the PS5 DualSense and PS4 DualShock, can be a bit tricky on Windows due to their unique hardware. The good news is, it's usually fixable. This video will walk you through the most common causes and how to solve them. First, it's often driver issues or Bluetooth connectivity problems. We'll cover both using the official Sony drivers and troubleshooting your Bluetooth connection. So stick around. All right, let's get your controller working. First, make sure you're on Windows 11, ideally version 22H2 or later, for the best Bluetooth support. For Bluetooth pairing, start by enabling Bluetooth on your PC, then put your controller into pairing mode by holding the Share button and the PlayStation button until the light bar flashes. Finally, in Windows Bluetooth settings, select Wireless Controller. If pairing doesn't work, try updating your controller's firmware using the PlayStation app on PC, or restart the Bluetooth support service by running services.msc and finding the Bluetooth support service. For the most reliable experience, download the official DualSense wireless controller driver from Sony's support website and install it via Device Manager. This avoids the need for older tools like DS for Windows. Finally, inside Roblox settings, ensure controller support is enabled. Key takeaways. Use official Sony drivers for best reliability, wired connection is more stable than Bluetooth, and keep firmware and drivers updated regularly.